Hey everyone, ready for incredible skin? Today we're diving into the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 serum, your secret weapon for instantly plumper, smoother skin. If you're looking for deep, multi-depth hydration, this serum is a game changer with its 5 types of hyaluronic acid that penetrate every layer of your skin. But it doesn't stop there. What makes this skincare essential, truly special, is the added ceramides, actively working to lock in moisture and fortify your skin's protective barrier. Plus, with provitamin B5, it boosts your skin's natural ability to retain moisture, visibly minimizing fine dry lines and boosting elasticity for a youthful glow. This isn't just another serum. It's a comprehensive solution for healthier looking skin, tackling dryness and signs of aging head on. Many people search for the Mom Tomsier Best Hyaluronic Acid Serum and The Ordinary consistently delivers high-quality, effective ingredients. Imagine waking up to skin that feels incredibly soft, supple, and resilient every single day. Ready to transform your complexion? Check out the link in the description to buy The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 on Amazon. It's an absolute must-have for your 2025 skincare routine, offering incredible value for such advanced hydration technology. Seriously, if you want long-lasting hydration, a stronger skin barrier, and a noticeable reduction in fine lines, I highly recommend adding this serum to your cart today.